Welcome back to the channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and today we're gonna have a look at some of these Walmart Spark orders that I've been seeing here in my little neck of the woods, and they ain't been too sweet, guys. First offer, $19.95. No,
Come on now, dog.
that's not the first offer.
It was at this moment.
$17.95 for 18.3 miles. 6 stops on this order, guys. Now, the first reason why I wouldn't pick this up is because it has a 3 o'clock pickup time.
Man.
And they sent this order to me at 2 something. So I'm not gonna wait 40 minutes for an order. Then 2, you talking about 18 miles and only getting paid less than 18 bucks?
Come on.
If it was 1-to-1, there could be some type of justification on an order like this. But the 95 cents, that's just like disrespect. Because what you gotta realize is there is no guarantee that you're gonna get any tips on these Sam's Club orders. Okay, sometimes you do, but you can't hope and pray that you get a tip. You gotta make an educated decision based off the offer screen. And this offer screen ain't looking too sweet.
Just.
Now, next up, we got a whole slew of bad offers. Most of them in-store pickup, some of them curbside pickup, but these two Home Depot orders stood out to me the most. You got $10.04 for 6 miles. Now, we do have a new offer screen, so you can see that it says 2 stops right here. It's really 1 stop. 1 stop is picking up from the store, the other stop is the delivery. So now Walmart Spark with this new offer screen, it's made it easier for people like me who's been using the app for a while. But if you're newer to the app, you may look at this and see 2 stops and think that's 2 separate customers. That's 1 customer. But the reason this is a bad offer is because it's an in-store pickup. If this was curbside and they brought it out to you and there was no extra stuff involved in making this $10 for 6 miles, that would be cool. But being that this is an in-store pickup, you got to first park, go inside the store, go to wherever the pickup part is, wait for somebody to feel like they want to address you, and then you got to tell them what you're there for, wait for them to go get the item, then go through all the confirmation before you get it back in your car to start delivery. That's too much work for, not even 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Even if this order would have said 12, it still wouldn't be worth it. $12 for 6 miles is great when it's curbside pickup or some food delivery that's finna be ready. But for an in-store pickup, that's a really low offer. Now, I have been told that on in-store pickups, they not even able to put tips on those orders. So that's even more reason why you might want to stay away from in-store pickups when it comes to Walmart Spark. This next one is just absolutely disrespectful. $10.80 for 14.2 miles.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Again, it says 2 stops, but that's 1 pickup, 1 drop off. My problem is, why are you delivering something from Home Depot basically 15 miles away for $10? Even if you were asleep in the Home Depot bathroom, you should never take this order, guys, because you're not gonna make no money. You are doing worse than delivering this order for free. You are actually paying for the transit on this order. It ain't even no situation where if you was heading in that direction, this would be profitable. This is just a all-around bad offer. Now moving over to the Sam's Club side of it, we got a lot of Sam's Club orders going out over here at whatever this 6474 store is, because look, they not paying good, guys. These are all orders going out at the 3 p.m. time slot, okay? The one is 2273, 21.9 miles. 7 stops on that one. It's actually 6. One of the stops is Sam's Club, but that's 6 stops, 22 bucks. It's gonna take you over an hour to get this done, guys. Over an hour. I typically like to take orders I can get done in 30 minutes, and if nothing else, multi-app pick something else up, or at least have enough time to be back at my pickup location within the hour of me starting that order. And with all of these orders, you're not gonna be able to do that. We got $24.21 for 23.5 miles. That's a lot of miles for 24 bucks, guys. I would at least need to see $40 on these offers that are 20-some miles. Next up, we got $25.53, 27.9 miles, guys. 27.9 miles? Dude, that's crazy right there. That is absolutely crazy. And all these got multiple stops. It ain't even no orders where you just taking a long straight shot, dropping off 2 and coming back. These are all city miles too. Lots of stop and go. Cause I went over to the St. Louis side, switch zones, and see what the orders is like over there. Even worse. Super metro area make it super worse when the orders ain't good overall. Next up, we got $24 for 23.8 miles. Sam's Club pickup. All of these orders have a 3 p.m. pickup slot, guys. So you telling me that y'all got about, let's see, 6, 12, 18, what's that? 24, 30 different stops that need to be completed all in 1 hour. And out of all those 30 different stops or 30 different orders, you telling me you paying about 120 bucks? That's low. That's low because you got to realize, man, that's a lot of delivery traveling for a low amount of money. Just imagine how much gas you gonna use driving 23 miles in the city. You know, city miles. We're not talking about highway miles or long country miles. We talking about stop and go traffic. And 3 p.m., that's the time that the summer schools is getting out. Well, it ain't no summer school right now, but any type of kid program or that's the most likely time you have the most traffic on the road. 3 p.m. in St. Louis. You can just better believe it. And the highway is gonna be messed up. The streets gonna be bagged up, and you gotta deliver 6 stops for 20 bucks, and you gotta make it back to Sam's Club to get another one. It's absolutely ridiculous, guys. Walmart, Sam's Club, Home Depot. I'm gonna need y'all to do a little bit better because Dashers can't make no money on these offers. Next up, we got $26.16 for 29.2 miles. 29.2 miles. That is a 30. That's 30 miles. And it ain't no way you ain't passing up other Sam's Clubs and Walmarts doing these orders. Now, the one thing I will say about the St. Louis zone that I got all of these offers out of, it's so many pickup spots. You got Sam's Clubs, Walmarts, Home Depots. You got three to five of them in a 5 mile radius. Like, it's lots of pickups. But this particular offers that I got from this Sam's Club right here and this Home Depot, I don't know if it was this time slot. I don't know if it's because it was Monday. I don't know what's going on. But one thing I do know is I need you to not take orders like this, guys. I took a Sam's Club order the other day, $9 4 miles. Good on face value, right? And it was okay. It wasn't even a lot of extra work. But the thing is, when I deal with Sam's Club customers, I need them tips to come through. And if they not tipping, them orders ain't worth it. Straight up. Walmart Spark orders that pick up from Walmart, a lot of times you can get a higher base pay, even if the order been sitting for a while. Them orders will sit to the next day sometimes, right? And then they'll go up, they'll be worth a little bit more, and now you can make profit on that order. But with these Sam's Club orders, you need them to show them tips up front. You need them to, because you're talking about high mileage deliveries on these Sam's Club orders, guys. And the Home Depot orders, it just ain't no hope for them. Because when you offering 10 bucks for 14 miles, you know what I'm saying, in-store pickup, that's just crazy. That's absolutely ridiculous, because just to go in the store and pick up an item that's going 6 miles, I need like 15 bucks. Because it ain't no telling how long they're going to have me in that store. It ain't no telling what kind of item you picking up. You could be picking up a damn ladder. You could be picking up a whole storage cabinet for 10 bucks. And all that wait time, that's probably going to be the only order you do from Home Depot in that 1 hour. Because all the time you're going to waste with the employees and the parking lot and the confirmation, that's all your profits right there. So if you doing orders like this on Walmart Spark, let me know in the comments below. How do you manage it? How do you manage seeing offers like this and stay profitable? Do you multi-app? Do you turn it off on certain days? Are you only working certain hours in certain areas? Do you only deliver to certain type of customers? Do you only do shopping delivers? Let me know something, guys, because this ain't finna work for me. I'm about to go ahead and switch back to my original zone, because look at here. If they think I'm about to drive 30 miles for 26 bucks with a smile on my face, hell to the no. Hell to the no. It's not happening. And I advise you to make you some educated decisions yourself, because don't do this, guys. This is horrible. This is absolutely horrible. You literally could probably go into Home Depot, Sam's Club, and Walmart, fill out a job application, work for them, and you probably would do better than taking offers like this and running your own vehicle into the ground. Okay? Now, I'm a big advocate for Walmart Spark. I really am. I love it over in my area. It does me really good. You know, it fills in that gap when other gig apps be playing them games. And I don't play no games. But this right here, this ain't nothing but video games, bro. Because I can't do nothing with this. I can't do nothing with this. But on the flip side, when you encounter this, there's a couple things you can do. So this is just what Walmart Spark is showing me, right? But there's a flip side. We also got to remember that Walmart partners with other delivery apps to get these orders out. So maybe you turn on Roadie. Maybe you turn on Uber Eats. Maybe you turn on a point pickup or something else that is working in conjunction with your local Walmart. And my area is Uber Eats and Roadie. You can get Walmart Spark offers over there too. And also on top of that, these same Home Depot orders, You can see those on Roadie also. So you got more flexibility, and the pays a lot different app to app. Walmart Spark will pay you $10 to go 14 miles, but then that same offer that may appear on Roadie, it may pay $25. So this is a way that you can still keep yourself open to the opportunities available in whatever market you in, your market or a new test zone, but you still have more options to do those orders, and you don't have to take these low paying offers, right? So maybe you go over to this Sam's Club and you see that they jamming. You see they got a lot of orders going out. You see they ain't profitable for you, but then maybe you click on Uber Eats and maybe you click on Roadie or your other app, and maybe you see orders from that same location, but these orders are profitable on the other screen, on the other app. Now you can jig with that. Now you can make something happen. This is what you got to do in the gig economy, guys, because things are always changing. These apps are always updating. They always trying new things. Just this week, Walmart Spark came out with a new offer screen. So that tells you right there, anytime things can change. You got to be prepared, and you got to be ready, and you got to know what's out there too, so you can know if you can make that money. I made no money yesterday, but guess what? I went to the crib and I chilled, because I said if I can't make no money, I'm about to relax. That's what I like to do. What are you going to do to make sure you out there maximizing?